Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV in Dexter, Missouri. Today we're going to talk about one of my most favorite floor plans. This is the Sabre 32GKS. This particular unit has the spare tire in the front storage. It will come with the dual 20-pound tanks, one on both sides, so you got plenty of gas. And I'm telling you, the reason this is my most favorite floor plan, it's a triple slided fifth wheel that is under 35 foot long. It has the controller here for the auto leveling. All the water hookups are inside, so it will be heated wintertime, helps that extended season camping. Suburban on-demand water heater, oversized suburban furnace, aluminum wheels, it has the Furion backup camera prep, it has the 2-inch receiver. Now something about this 2-inch receiver, it's a little different than most. Most of them that has the 2-inch receiver on the back is set up for like the bike racks and the carrying tray. These are actually set up to tow. They will tow up to 3,500 pounds with a 350-pound tongue weight. Got the leash latch on the side of the camper, so if you're camped in the nice shaded spot, the puppy dogs can sit outside. It's got dual awnings with LED light strips. Huge front storage compartment with the outside refrigerator. So a little bit about this. They come with the outside refrigerator. The outside refrigerator can be removed. If you want a lot of storage here but don't really need the refrigerator, they can be removed. It's got the solid step entry doors. One of my favorite things about this floor plan, it has the newest upgraded chairs with the kitchen table that is actually mounted to the wall, so you have all the foot space underneath the table. Theater seating setting directly across from the entertainment center. It's going to have the trifold sofa, pulls out for extra sleeping in case somebody comes with you. It's got the solid surface countertops, amazing hidden pantry, 3-burner top with oversized oven. It has the convection oven. So one thing you got to look at in this thing, it's got all these big windows, and a lot of people worries about it getting hot in here. The thing about it is it has the reflective tint on the windows, so it's actually cool to the touch inside, so it knocks a lot of the heat down. Another really nice feature about the Sabres is the zebra shades. So they don't talk about this a lot, but the zebra shades actually have an air gap in between them, so it technically will help insulation for your windows in the hot sun pulled down. You don't get as much sun through there. It has the 12-volt contour refrigerator. It's a double door refrigerator on the top, 2 pull-out freezers on the bottom, cabinetry everywhere in this thing. It's got the island countertop extension that actually folds up. It gives you more room. The accent lighting around the top is always a good feature. One with a ceiling fan in it. That's something you don't see a whole lot. Got all of your tank levels and your slide out controllers. Awning in and out, slide out. Coming up to the top, it has a porcelain toilet. It has a fiberglass one-piece shower surround with the tri-sliding shower doors. Has the pull-out towel rack. So you're not going into a little bitty area trying to get everything stuck in there. It actually pulls out so you have full access to everything. We'll go up into the main bedroom. You have a king-size bed, bedroom AC. Comes with the driven projector, so it actually projects to the roller shade. Slide top for any knickknacks you want to keep. All the drawers. Then the main closet has the closet rod, shoe nook in the front, has washer dryer hookup. Doesn't come with it. Some people want it, some people don't. But it's there. It's got a lot of features, and I know I've walked through this really quick, so there's a lot of things that I missed. But if you have any questions on this unit or any other unit on the lot, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and have a great day.